Against a background of waning consumer interest in sedans, as well as dramatic redesigns of the top-selling Honda Accord and Toyota Camry, Nissan could ill afford another cautious update with its latest generation Altima midsize sedan. And, indeed, the new 2019 Altima sees the model's most ambitious changes in more than a decade, bringing not only the expected all-new styling and additional tech, but also one new engine and one that has been heavily revised. Plus, for the first time, an all-wheel drive option. V6 Deep Sixth. Nissan has broomed the V6 engine as a step-up powertrain offering, replacing it with a turbocharged inline-four. The Turbo 4 is the company's variable compression 2.0-liter, just introduced in the Infiniti QX50. Read how the technology works here. In the Altima, it makes 248 horsepower and 273 pounds-foot of torque, versus 270 ponies and 251 pounds-foot for today's 3.5-liter V6. It's optional on the sporty-themed senior model and on the range-topping Platinum. Most Altimas, however, will be powered by a heavily revised, naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-four. Its displacement is unchanged, but output increases from 179 to 188 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Peak torque is 180 pounds-foot, arriving at 3,600 RPM, an increase of 3 pounds-foot. As with the Turbo 4, Nissan claims that this engine offers reduced noise, vibration, and harshness compared with its predecessor, along with more compact packaging. As with the Turbo 4, Nissan claims that this engine offers reduced noise, vibration, and harshness compared with its predecessor, along with more compact packaging. As with the Turbo 4, Nissan claims that this engine offers reduced noise, vibration, and harshness compared with its predecessor, along with more compact packaging. Changes to the chassis include a redesigned suspension with monoded rear dampers, a new electrically assisted power steering unit that reduces efforts at low speeds but increases them at higher speeds, and 19-inch wheels, available for the first time as an option on senior and platinum models. Changes to the chassis include a redesigned suspension with monoded rear dampers, a new electrically assisted power steering unit that reduces efforts at low speeds but increases them at higher speeds, and 19-inch wheels, available for the first time as an option on senior and platinum models. But the brand's boomerang-shaped taillights are more subdued. The Altima also adopts a floating roof design as seen on the Maxima and other Nissans. The color palette has been amped up, with scarlet ember and sunset drift orange metallic shades joining the usual variations of white, silver, gray, and black. The interior also features new colors, and a lower cowl makes for an airy cabin, as does the thinner instrument panel. As on the exterior, horizontal lines dominate. All models have a 7.0-inch screen nestled in the instrument cluster, while an 8.0-inch touchscreen stands proud of the dashboard. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, along with Sirius XM satellite radio, Siri Eyes Free and Google Assistant voice recognition, and keyless ignition. The Senior, SL, and Platinum get leather, while the S and SV have a cloth interior. Assisted living: the Altima will be available with Nissan's much-touted ProPilot Assist. Already offered on the Leaf and the Rogue, this enhanced adaptive cruise control adds a degree of steering assist, but not hands-free capability. In the Altima, it will be standard on SV, SL, and Platinum trims. The Altima also gains rear automated emergency braking, which can apply the brakes if it senses a collision when the car is backing up. It, too, is standard on SV, SL, and Platinum models, as are lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Forward collision warning, front automated emergency braking, and a driver alertness monitor are standard on all models, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are standard on all but the base S. In addition to the 5 trim levels mentioned, the Altima follows in the footsteps of premium brands such as Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar Land Rover by offering a limited run launch edition based on the Platinum with the turbocharged engine. In the promotional materials for the new car, Jose Muñoz, Chief Performance Officer for Global Nissan, says, "Our goal with the Altima is to re-energize the sedan segment. That's a tall order. The Altima has been overtaken by the Rogue as the top-selling Nissan, just as the Accord has been passed by the CR-V at Honda, and the Toyota Camry, long the best-selling non-pickup truck vehicle in the United States, now trails the RAV4. A more realistic aim for the new Altima would be to re-energize those buyers still interested in sedans, at least enough to turn them away from the strong competition at rival dealerships. We'll see whether it's up to that challenge when it goes on sale this fall."